center, and right radios. Page 1 also shows the standby frequencies for the left, center, and right VHF radios. To transfer a frequency, you must first select the radio. Push the line select key for the right radio active or standby frequency. The frequency transfer switch only controls frequencies for the selected radio. It moves the standby frequency to the active position and the active frequency to the standby position. Now let's look at the HF radio page. Push the HF mode select key. The HF radio page 1 operates the same as VHF page 1. Later in this lesson, we'll learn how to change frequencies and tune the HF and VHF radios. The tuning and control panel also controls other systems. You use these mode select keys. Full instruction on each mode is with the related system instruction. Let's continue with the data you check in pre-flight. The SATCOM mode select key lets you control the satellite communications system. You can make calls, set the priority, and look at the SATCOM directory from this page. You use the cab key to show the cabin interphone main menu page. The page includes a speed dial list up to 3 call stations. It also shows up to 3 new calls to the flight deck. Your airline's cabin interphone list can be shown with the directory prompt. From this page, you can use the PA, alert the ground crew, and make interphone calls. This message tells you if the PA or video entertainment system is in operation. GPWS lets you override ground proximity warning system alerts and change the active system. The weather mode select key shows page 1 of the weather radar controls. The captain and first officer have different controls to adjust the gain, mode, and tilt. Transponder shows the transponder page with transponder code and ident. TCAS system is also controlled from this page. The nav key shows the alternate navigation pages. You can use these pages as an alternate navigation system if the flight management or display systems fail. To use the page, put in latitude and longitude and navigate to the waypoint. Other controls will be explained with the related system instruction. The previous page and next page keys are used to change pages when more than one page is available. The panel off switch de-energizes the TCP. The panel off light comes on when the panel is off. Communications on the 787 are controlled with audio control panels. Let's look at the ACPs. The audio control panels have receiver volume controls and transmitter select switches. To listen to a receiver, you push the volume control, then turn it to adjust the volume. Push the receiver control for the right VHF radio. You can listen to more than one receiver. A receiver light shows that a receiver is on. The flight deck speaker is controlled and its volume adjusted with this switch. A filter control is used to select voice, range, or both voice and range for audio identification of navigation stations. To transmit, you must first push a transmitter select switch. Push the left VHF switch. Mic shows in the transmitter select switch. Each pilot can use only one transmitter at a time. When you push a transmitter select switch, the receiver is automatically connected. The receiver light does not come on when the transmitter select switch is pushed, but the receiver is on. The mic position of the mic interphone switch keys the radio, the same as the control wheel mic interphone switch, the glare shield mic switch, or the handheld microphone. The receiver light does not come on when the transmitter select switch is pushed, but the receiver is on. The mic position of the mic interphone switch keys the radio, the same as the control wheel mic interphone switch, the glare shield mic switch, or the handheld microphone. The PA system has its own transmitter switch on the ACP. It is a push and hold to talk switch. Let's use the TCP to change frequencies on the VHF radio. Push the VHF mode select key. VHF page 1 shows. The keypad lets you put numbers in the scratch pad.